Yo, what is up, Patreon and YouTube? How you guys doing today, man? We are back with another fucking team. Shout out to my boy Cry. He asked me to build a team around Raichu, so you already know I'm coming through with the rain team. We got Raichu with that lightning rod, Pelipper setting up the rain for our sweeper Basculesian. Rillaboom also really good in the rain. Golden Go also another good rain Pokemon. And then this Glacier is really just there to fuck with people, just to throw them off. They have to be ready. They have to be ready for it. I really don't even plan on using it, but I think it's just kind of funny. I couldn't think of a 6 months, so I'm just like, fuck it. Ice type, fuck it. Yeah, I think we actually got a pretty solid team. This is pretty standard rain shenanigans, but I wanted to. I always love building teams for my patrons, so let's get it going. Oh, we got snow versus rain up in here. We got snow versus rain and trick room. I might actually have to bring the glacier. Might actually have to bring glacier here. Low key. What if I just lead Golden Go? What if I just lead Golden Go, Rillaboom? I bring Pelipper, Basculesian in the back. How about that? Thinking they lead Trick Room? Oh no, they just straight up lead Snow off rip. So what we gonna do? We're gonna Terra, make it rain, and we're gonna swap right into Pelipper, I think. That's gonna hurt. Yeah. Yeah, Golden Go like that. Golden Go's like that. Yeah. That's it. That's GG's. Golden Go. Golden Go be like that. Huh. It's like that. Yo, snow again? Yo, lava plume with the Fido shit. That's some shit right there, dude. That is some bullshit right there. Yo, I'm bringing the same four. I'm bringing the same four. Fuck it. Y'all wanted that rain? Y'all wanted that rain? Bro, we really just get it into the battles. The weather wars. The weather fucking wars. But we're gonna come out on top. Okay. I mean, I kind of want to just do it. Kind of want to just do it and then swap in developer. That's fine. Sneasler getting fucked. I'm very surprised they did that. I'm very surprised they did that. I'm just gonna do this again. Chillin' water. Hopefully, I think we outspeed Sneasler. Why would you go into flying type? Okay. It's fine. Flying type Heatran. Alright. Well, we got the rain up. Let's swap back into Rillaboom here. Let me get rid of Heatran. Deleted. That's fine. Who is your last Mon? That's fine. That's fine. That is a-okay. Hit you with a stomping tantrum. So much damage. Oh my god, it lived. Oh, it really lived, dude? Really? Damn. That's crazy, bro. We are adamant max attack, too. Wow. Okay, so what we about to do... I'm about to give this the expert belt. About to give that the expert belt. Damn. We win that. Okay. It's a cool team, though. Cool team. Dude, there's no electric type for me to bring Raichu against, but I want to bring Raichu for the funny. I want to bring Raichu for the funny. I need to bring Raichu for my boy Cry, you know? You already know? You already know? You already know. Shout out to Cry, man. You the homie. You the homie. So I wonder if this is Covert Cloak, Torn. Probably is. It is. Oh, we livin', baby. That's that AV. That's that AV. Yo. That's that AV. Oh my god, we outspeed Fluttermane. Yo, and the confusion. Let's go. Let's go. Get fucked. Damn, son. Damn, son. Where'd you find that? It's alright. We're dead to Aqua Jet here, but that's okay. Yeah, it'll die to Aqua Jet, but that's okay. Why would you protect? I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck about you, Heatran. Why? It's fine. I don't give a fuck about you. I don't give a flying fuck. I mean, I think I Shadow Ball. I think I Shadow Ball Heatran. That's fine. This is dead to a Hurricane. Alright. Magma Store? What the hell? What the hell? That's fine. You're gonna... That's fine. You ain't living. You ain't living this. Yo, this team go crazy. This team kind of good. This team's not bad. This team's kind of good. It's not bad. Yo, we climb in the ranks. That's a fucking Gargantual. I bet you this is Trick Room Fluttermane. I bet you fucking money this is Trick Room Fluttermane. Low key, what if I bring Raichu, Golden Go, and then like Rain in the back? Wow, what is this shit? What is Gargactyl? The Gargactyl's got a Terra or Switch. We're gonna fake out Chi-Yu here, though. Raichu kind of balling. Poison. It's not gonna like a Make It Rain, though. Oh my god, huge damage, dude. Huge damage. That is some huge damage. So now we can swap into Pelipper, Thunder Chi-Yu, kill it. Oh my god, I'm so good at this. So good at the video game. I am so good at the video game, bro. Dude, I know how to play this team. I know how to play Rain. Y'all fucking sleep. I know how to play Rain. That did a lot. Alright, so they still have one more Pokemon in the back. Alright. Pelipper's going down here. I think they're gonna wide guard here, though. No wide guard? Why wouldn't you wide guard? All you had to do was wide guard, bro. Alright, they threw. They threw. You know, we fucking take those. We fucking take those. Yo, this team going crazy. This team going crazy. We almost in the 1400s. Uh-oh. Why the Basculegion with no rain? Is that Rain Dance Azumarill? Is that Rain Dance Dragapult? This team is so weird. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Don't like it at all. Don't like it. Chanpao about to just kill me. Any way we live something from Chanpao? There's no way, right? There's no way. I can't fake out. I can't believe they did that. I can't believe they did that. Yeah. 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 Basculegion sweep in the back, hopefully. Ghost type Chanpao. Wowzer. Ghost type Chanpao, really? Really? Really, dude? God damn it. That was such a weird-ass team, bro. That was such a weird team. One more. That was a weird-ass team, bro. I had no idea what the fuck was going on. Ew. Oh, is this fucking Paris song? Ew. 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 No fucking Paris song. Please, no. Let's end it on a dub. Let's get a dub. End it on a dub. We got that Paper Mario music jamming in the background, fellas. How is it not a beautiful day? I got the Retap merch. We got the Retap music in the background. The only thing that would ruin my day is some fucking Paris songs. Some fucking Paris trap. And this dude taking forever, okay? A fucking Oblivion? Is he about to Paris trap me to oblivion? He just might. Torment. Torment the fucking Thundy. You're not gonna like this. Focus Sash Flutter Mane, I bet you. Dude, I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I just knew it. Hex. Hex. Bruh. Bruh. This game is testing you? Doing what? I'm so good at the game. I am so good at this game. I'm so good at the game. Get fucking wrecked, son. Dude, I can play rain. I can make it rain. Okay? Dude, this team is good. This is a good-ass team. Glacier is just vibing, okay? Y'all, only the real ones will know about the Glacier that's vibing. But I think we've been on fire with the teams recently, bro. Raichu Rain team and this fucking Scyther team, bro. We fucking ballin', son. We ballin'. So, thank you guys for supporting me on YouTube and on Patreon, man. You guys are fucking awesome. Shout out to my boy Cry. Loving that Raichu, bro. You already know. Thank you guys so much, man. As always, I'm Retap, and we out this bitch.